welcome back to Heart and Soul Homes. My name is Monica. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are just getting stuff done. I've got a few things in my head as far as a plan, but I'm just gonna get what I can get done. I know that I've got some cleaning around here to do. I want to, I need to go and purchase some plants. I'll show you some landscape in the front yard that we're kind of having redone. And I've got some computer work to do. I've got some laundry stuff to do. So you know what? I'm not gonna put a bunch of pressure on myself, and that's what I want to portray to you guys, is that we don't have to have lists, this long. I used to be that person. And I'm just trying to live a more balanced and just intentional life. And I just want to encourage you to do the same. We all are going to have a lot of stuff to get done, some more than others. I am somebody who, my kids are grown and gone, and so I don't have the hustle and bustle of kids anymore, but I do have the hustle and bustle of, keeping a home and all the different things that I do. So I just want to encourage you to just take bite-sized pieces, do what you can, and let's get this done. And let's just get some stuff done. We don't have to do everything. We don't have to get it all done. Anyhow, if this is something that, sounds like something you would enjoy, I encourage you to join our family here and subscribe, and we'll get going in the day. All right.
So one of the projects that I am working on right now is revamping my front yard. This was all grass up to here. So we cut all the grass out. We're just leaving, smaller patches, which are still pretty large. Just yesterday went in and got some boulders and, gonna plant around there. This will all be flower bed. There's gonna be a flowering tree on this side right here, and then one over here on this side flanking. And then we already kind of started planting. That's where I'm gonna head right now, is to get some more larger shrubs, maybe an evergreen or something like that. But this is kind of the look. Let me zoom in here. Having the boulders and then having the plants around it and everything, I think is going to be really gorgeous. And as everything fills in, it will be even better. Here's kind of a look right here of one of the boulders, and then how the planting will look. I'm just so excited about it. So that's one of my first things. It's been raining. Oh, there goes a car. Sorry about that. It's been raining, which has been wonderful. And they're going to be coming soon. So I am going to go and head out and try to find some more plants.
First, before I go, I'm going to grab my Magic Mind. So I did not sleep well last night, and I want to be focused for the time I'm allowing myself to get stuff done. And so this has been wonderful. So I'm gonna take this on the road with me, and let's head to go get some plants. Before I head out to the nursery though, I am going to take a shot of my Magic Mind. This has helped so much with my focus, my energy, my overall motivation. I have really enjoyed it. It has helped me tremendously, and I really do recommend giving it a shot. You can use my code MonicaJ20, and it will give you money off to give this a try. So many of the energy shots or drinks, they are just full of so many chemicals. This is all natural. I'll put up a slide here in a moment to show you what's in it and what it's about. I really recommend getting on their website and taking a look at what they have and what they, kind of their whole story. It's really been interesting. It's helped me a lot, and it saves me on days like this. So I highly recommend, and use Monica J20 so that you can get some money off. When I got home, the first thing I wanted to do, and kind of my gateway chore, is usually my room or the kitchen. It just always makes me get more motivated, feel better when the kitchen, is nice and clean, everything's put away. It's just kind of one of those things that just helps me keep going and want to do, family room. I just love having the area that I spend the most time in my home, which is the kitchen, the family room, my room, laundry room, all that kind of stuff. Just be nice and clean, and it just, it helps my mood. It just helps everything, helps the house run smooth. So it's usually one of the first things I always get done. I really wanted to stress in this video that, I think our society is so, we've got to get everything done, and our lives have to be perfect. Our homes have to be perfect. We have to be perfect. And that's really not doable. I know when I was a young mom and I was a single mom, and, I was trying to be perfect at home and be the perfect mom and, be there for my kids and do everything they needed. And, just my focus was them. But then I also was trying to do my best at, our family business and work and please everybody there and, do my best there. I don't think you can give 100% to everything. I really don't, because, I clearly,
gave what I could, you know, as far as trying to do my best, as far as 100% in each place. But then I didn't take care of myself. I didn't focus anything, you know, on my own, or, you know, there was a lot of areas in my life I didn't, you know, have a focus on because I was trying so hard at these two, you know, things in my life. So, you know, I just want to stress to you guys is that, you know, partially done is fine. You know what I mean? Doing your best in the day, if you had things you needed to do, but you only got 3 of them done, you know, it's okay. There's always tomorrow. The laundry will still be there. The dishes will still be there. You know, all the things will still be there. But, you know, if you have children, you know, take the time to get down on the floor and play with them. You know, read a book. You know, don't be that, oh my gosh, I have to get the dishes done so I can't read a book, or just be silly, or have a dance party, or whatever. I mean, if it's dishes that need to be done and your kids are old enough, have a dance party and do the dishes, you know, while you're having a dance party. Whatever you can do, but just remember how fast it goes with your children. And just, you know, don't beat yourself up about everything that needs to be done. Do what's important and what feeds your soul. It all has to get done, yes, but it doesn't have to be all in one day or one moment. You know, you can spread it out a little bit, and if something is left for the next day, it's okay. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. I hope I gave you some motivation. One, to, you know, just figure out what's the most important to you and not stress yourself out about trying to be perfect and do all the things. But I also hope I gave you some motivation to get up and care for your home and, you know, do some things. And even though it's not getting everything done, it is taking care of my home, which is so important to me. I am so grateful. And I just hope I gave you some motivation to do that. Have a great day. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you like this video. Love to hear any of your thoughts on it. And have a great day. And I will see you in the next one. Bye.